How to connect the X15 TWS True Wireless earbuds to a Android 14 phone, and let's get started. So you probably got these from the Temu site or Alibaba site, and to get these into pairing mode, make sure they are actually touching the charging pins on the inside of the case itself. So make sure they're both placed on the charging pins. You'll know that they are with the lights lit up, okay? And next up now, you want to make sure that they are removed together at the same time. That's going to allow them to sync to each other, and then one will enter into pairing mode. So take them out together at the same time like this here, and then make sure they are synced to each other, and then they will enter into pairing mode so that they both can pair up together at the same time on your Android phone. Okay, so just let them be now for the time being here. And on your Android phone here, this is a Pixel 8 phone. So you'll use the quick panel access. Look for the Bluetooth settings here now. And you'll long press that. And you'll see the pair new devices. Okay, if it's a Samsung phone, you'll have it turned on and scan. So tap on that here, pair new devices, and you'll see X15. That's what it's gonna show up as, X15. And as I tap on that here, it's gonna give me the pairing request here. Press pair. And it's gonna tell you the battery percentage here, and that's that, you're good to go. Okay, there's not gonna be any blinking lights once they are fully paired, and you're good to go. You can tap on your settings here to make sure they are enabled for phone calls and media audio. Like and sub.